Hello. Welcome to C++ Course 2024. Lecture number 12. In this lecture we talk about how to find even and odd, using if-else structure. A Quiestion is write a program that input a number and finds whether it is even or odd using if-else. It means if student write even number a message show number is even. Let's start a program. First write header file. Then we start main function and take variable which and his data
known.
types is integer. Then we show a message to user enter a number. And we check if the number entered by the user is even or odd. Then we take number from user. Now we make condition if we take mod with 2 and remainder is left 0 so number is even, otherwise else number is odd. We use modelist sign to take remainder in C++. We take mod with 2 and check if he is equal to 0a, number is even otherwise else is odd. If a number is even so here we show a message number is even. In else a number is not even so definitely is odd so here we show a message number is even. Now save the file and run the program to press F11. First we write even number. Now we write odd number.